Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Lydia Okongo and I'm part of the team here at EKONAVA. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you a platform that we believe will truly transform how financial institutions and ESG professionals approach environmental and social due diligence. So what is EKONAVA and why does it matter? EKONAVA helps simplify and accelerate that process. Using AI, the platform analyzes a company's environmental and social management system, that is ESMS, and scores it based on the IFC performance standard. It highlights strengths, flag gaps, and recommends improvements, giving ESG teams clarity and speed. Today, more than ever, ESG due diligence is no longer optional, it's a requirement, but the process is often slow, manual, and inconsistent. Financial institutions must review hundreds of documents and policies just to get a clear risk picture. In this video, I'll walk you through what the platform does, why it matters, and even show you a short demo of how it can be used in real time. The first step is to enter the three required parameters. 1. The institution name, 2. The project email, and 3. The project deadline. The project deadline refers to the expected date for completing the project. Please ensure that this date is set realistically. Once you've entered these details, select Create Sustainable Project. This will direct you to a section where you'll receive a unique code along with the project link. After clicking on Proceed to Project, you will be redirected to a new page. This page outlines all 9 elements of IFC performance standards. These include policy, risk management, organization, emergency, stakeholders, grievances, reporting, and monitoring. It also features a custom access option, which will be covered later in this video. Please exercise caution while navigating this page. For instance, when evaluating a policy-based document, ensure the page aligns with the appropriate assessment element. Similarly, if you're evaluating management, confirm the alignment with management-related criteria. The same applies to organization, emergency, stakeholders, and all other elements. The custom access feature allows you to evaluate multiple elements simultaneously. This is particularly useful when your document includes content that relates to more than one specific element. Initially, you may select up to 5 elements for a simultaneous assessment. Next, you'll be prompted to upload a document from your device. The EKONAVA platform leverages the most advanced OpenAI technologies for conducting assessments. These models have been rigorously tested and validated to deliver a high degree of accuracy. The assessment duration typically ranges from 45 seconds to 5 minutes, depending on the number of elements selected and the document's length. Regardless, accuracy is consistently maintained. Upon completion, the Sustainability Compliance Dashboard provides a detailed breakdown of the chosen elements and their corresponding scores. Furthermore, the dashboard features a line graph, bar chart, and pie chart to help visualize the assessment data effectively. Following this overview, we delve deeper into the reasoning behind the scores assigned by our AI models. For instance, in our demonstration, we selected 5 elements: policy, management, organization, stakeholder, and reporting. Focusing on the policy element, you will note that the evaluated document receives a score of 3.43 out of a maximum of 5 and a minimum of 0. It's important to emphasize that EKONAVA adheres to IFC performance standards. The criteria used in document evaluations are directly informed by IFC performance standards. These criteria may vary between elements. Notably, under the IFC performance standards framework, each question can receive a score ranging from 0 to 5. Our AI models analyze each document and determine the most accurate score for every individual question. The justification section provides a detailed explanation of the AI scoring decisions, supported by relevant content extracted from the submitted document. Within these justifications, you may observe placeholders such as company location, company name, company email, or company phone number. This reflects our PII reduction process. PII refers to personally identifiable information. Our system is designed to automatically redact such information before the document is reviewed by the AI. This may include company names, email addresses, physical locations, among other sensitive data. Through this approach, EKONAVA is committed to safeguarding client data privacy and ensuring maximum confidentiality. This guarantees that client information remains protected and is not shared with any third parties. You can navigate between assessment elements to review output results. Once you're satisfied, the results can be saved directly to the database. Please note that only the assessment results are stored. Client documents themselves are not saved or retained on our servers. After saving, you'll be directed to the results section. Here you'll access the ESG Performance Dashboard, which offers further insights into the IFC Performance Standard results, including score trends, monitoring tools, in-depth analysis, and continuous improvement tracking. For each IFC Performance Standard element, a graph is displayed. Each graph includes a title such as Policy Score or Risk Score. Additionally, it displays your current score, which reflects the most recent assessment outcome. The graph's x-axis represents the assessment intervals, and the y-axis shows scores, typically ranging from 0 to 45, although this may vary depending on the scoring framework. Each graph displays the results of your last 5 assessments, enabling progress tracking over time. The maturity of a categories section utilizes your most recent scores for each IFC element. This allows you to visualize your organization's performance level for each element. The section presents data using line graphs, bar charts, and pie charts for clearer analysis. In the detailed sustainability evaluation section, you'll find a familiar view, similar to the one before saving your results. It displays IFC standards questions, the selected AI responses, and the associated justifications. You'll also see the score of each question, for example, a score of 3 out of 5. In the scoring summary, you'll find total marks and the maximum possible marks and your policy score. Maximum marks vary depending on the questions and according to IFC performance standards criteria. Next, the maturity level. It provides an overview of your organization's positioning based on the score achieved. Again, this is benchmarked against IFC performance standards. In our example, a score of 3.43 indicates that policies and procedures are generally aligned with the standards. Scores and interpretations may differ by element based on document content. Once maturity levels are established, the EKONAVA platform provides targeted recommendations aligned with IFC performance standards. Moreover, recognizing that organizations may operate under varying framework, EKONAVA is designed with the flexibility to accommodate different compliance standards, allowing clients to request customized approaches that align with their specific organizational needs. EKONAVA is built for financial institutions, impact investors, and ESG advisors who want to work smarter and more sustainably. If you're looking to streamline ESG due diligence, de-risk investments, or enhance your sustainability strategy, we'd love to work with you. Visit us at ekonavaimpactpartners.com or reach out via email at info.ekonava@gmail.com. Thank you for choosing EKONAVA and welcome to the future of ESG screening in Africa.